How to fix unable to activate Touch ID on this iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix unable to activate Touch ID on this iPhone error. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is actually just ensure that your fingers or the Touch ID sensor are clean and dry. So just clean your sensors with a really soft and dry cloth or any brush. And if the issue still persists, you can try to restart your device. To restart your device, you can go to your settings. You can simply switch off your device as well. Go to General, scroll down all the way, there you'll see the shutdown button. Now, if you want to restart by forcefully, you can long press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and long press the side button. And that should restart your iPhone. And after doing that, what you can do is you can also re-add your fingerprint. So to do that, head over to your passcode and Face ID, type in your passcode, and from here you can add your fingerprint. Now I don't have the fingerprint option, so I'll just skip that, but you can add your fingerprint. And finally, what you can do is go to your general and go to your software update and then check for any updates available. If there are any updates available, don't forget to update it and that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.